Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. If you're running a web hosting business, today's video is just for you. We're going to talk about a super important topic, payment gateways for WHMCS, so let's jump right in. First things first, what is a payment gateway? Simply put, it's a service that allows your customers to pay for your services online securely. It acts as a bridge between your website and the banks, making sure that when someone hits pay, everything goes smoothly. Now, why do you need a payment gateway for WHMCS? Well, integrating one automates your billing processes and helps reduce human error. This means you spend less time on manual tasks and more time growing your business. Plus, your customers will appreciate the seamless experience. One of the biggest advantages of using a payment gateway with WHMCS is the ability to process payments globally. That's right, you can accept various currencies and payment methods, which opens your business to international customers. This can really expand your market reach. Now, let's talk about something crucial, security. When handling payments online, keeping your customers' information safe is paramount. Payment gateways use encryption and other security measures to protect sensitive data so both you and your customers can have peace of mind. Okay, now that we've covered the basics, let's take a look at some popular payment gateways that integrate smoothly with WHMCS. First up, we have PayPal. It's widely known and trusted by many. The integration with WHMCS is pretty straightforward, making it a favorite for many users. Just keep in mind that PayPal does charge transaction fees. Next is Stripe. This one's a developer's dream. Stripe is very flexible and allows for various payment options. It's great for businesses looking to customize their payment process. Then we have Authorize.net. This gateway offers advanced features for those with more complex needs. It's known for its robust customer support, but might take a bit longer to set up. And for those interested in cryptocurrencies, BitPay is a great option. It allows you to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, tapping into a growing market. Before you make a decision, here are a few key factors to consider. Look into how much each gateway charges per transaction and any monthly fees. Make sure it supports the payment options your customers prefer. Check if it can handle multiple currencies for international transactions. Look for fraud protection and PCI compliance to safeguard customer data. A user-friendly setup can save you a lot of time and hassle. In conclusion, choosing the right payment gateway for WHMCS is essential for optimizing your online payment processes. It not only makes transactions secure, but also enhances customer satisfaction. Take your time to evaluate your business needs and your customers' preferences to find the best fit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on running your web hosting business. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.